Hello guys! Today I'm making 4 kinds of healthy, high-protein salads that are perfect for your weight loss journey. They're filling, delicious, and super easy to make. Let's start with my first salad. They're super healthy, vitamin-rich, high-protein salad. Let's get started. I'm using lettuce, cucumber, carrots, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Mix them together nicely. Take paneer or tofu, add salt, garlic powder, chili powder, and a drizzle of olive oil. Mix it well so every piece is coated with flavor. Then fry it lightly in a pan and add it to the salad bowl. Now comes the magic, the dressing that ties everything together. In a small bowl, mix yogurt, olive oil, salt, fresh garlic, and chili flakes and lemon juice, and mix it. Pour the dressing over your salad. Look how beautifully it coats the veggies and paneer. You won't believe a salad can taste this good. This bowl is full of protein, vitamins, and flavor, perfect for your weight loss journey. You'll stop craving junk food once you start eating this. Try it and comment below how you liked it. Now this is my second salad bowl. High-protein salad, perfect for weight loss and so much better than a plain salad. I'm starting with lettuce, chop it any way you like, then adding cucumber, carrots, tomatoes, yellow peppers, and green peppers. You can even add red and orange bell peppers too. All these veggies are low-calorie, colorful, and super filling. You can also add any other vegetables you like. Just use whatever you enjoy the most. Now for the best part, the high-protein dressing. In a blender, add spinach, cottage cheese, or tofu, a few cashews, garlic, plain yogurt, salt, and some chili peppers. Blend until creamy and smooth. Pour this dressing over your salad, give it a good mix, and add a little lemon juice if you like. This salad is filling, flavorful, and perfect for your weight loss journey. Once you try it, you'll want to eat it every day. And here's the third salad bowl. This is high-protein salad for strong muscle and good metabolism. To make this salad, mix cucumber, carrots, green peppers, tomatoes, lettuce, black chickpeas, and chickpeas all together. Add 1 spoon of vinegar, olive oil, and salt. Mix them nicely. You can add any vegetables of your choice too. Enjoy this high-protein salad. And this is the fourth salad bowl. Making another super healthy, vitamin-rich, high-protein salad. Let's get started. I'm using lettuce, cucumber, carrots, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Mix them together nicely. Now comes the magic, the dressing that ties everything together. In a small bowl, mix yogurt, olive oil, salt, fresh garlic, and chili flakes and lemon juice and mix it. Pour the dressing over your salad. Look how beautifully it coats the veggies and paneer. You won't believe a salad can taste this good. This bowl is full of protein, vitamins, and flavor, perfect for your weight loss journey. You'll stop craving junk food once you start eating this. Try it and comment below how you liked it. All of these salads are amazing, super delicious, and very easy to prepare. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.